Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV. I'm really excited to show you this trailer by Sundance. It's the 189 MB. A lot of people want something lightweight that's not short on space or amenities, but is something that's easy to pull and kind of shorter. This is a great couples trailer and I think you're going to like it. Come check it out. You'll notice it's got a power tongue jack, double propane tanks, a nice pass-through on the outside, and a big awning that comes out and extends over top of your living space. You have outdoor speakers, you can listen to your music while you're out here camping. Dual axle on a small lightweight trailer. And look at this nice big solid step entry. So these are very nice and it's very wide. It's really great for people, especially people who've got like a bad knee or a bad back or something, and navigating steps can be a little bit difficult. This makes it so much easier. Check out the inside of this trailer. Look how spacious and roomy this is. Now you have a really wonderful bedroom back here behind privacy curtains. You've got two big shirt closets, plenty of space up top. You've even got nice reading lamps, USB chargers and chargers, and a place for CPAP machines, all those things. And heck, what happens if it's raining and you're stuck inside for a while? Never happens like that in Oregon, does it? Well, check it out. All you have to do is this, and you just lock that away behind the door, and you turn this into a nice sofa here with drink holders and nightstands, and you have a whole place to just sit here and watch this beautiful TV. Look at that TV. It's all ready for you, all ready to go, and it can swivel and you can see it from all around. You've got a wonderful dinette right here that makes into an actual bed to sleep a couple extra people. But what the idea behind this is so wonderful is look how spacious this room is during the day in a very small trailer. It's really wonderful. You do have a big, huge sink, stainless steel. You've got a microwave, a light and fan, a 3-burner cook stove, and an oven. This is your whole cooking area, and it's conveniently located right next to the fridge, right? And I like these new handles. See how that opens up? Really nice for people, especially people with arthritis. That's really a nice feature. This is your entertainment area. So you've got plenty of places for extra storage, but you have your CD, DVD, Bluetooth, all set up with your beautiful TV screen here. And check out that bathroom, gorgeous. A nice corner sink and medicine cabinet. You've got a beautiful step-in shower. Guys, seeing a floor plan like this in a trailer that is this lightweight and small and quality at the same time, it's just unheard of. This is very popular. We've got one. I'd love to sell it to you. So give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.